Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Pujurahayu from Abdurrahman Saleh University. And then today I would like to presentation about my article entitled Values of Friendship Between Paul and Doris in the film Suncoast 2024 with a semiotic analysis. Okay, for the first, I want to explain about my abstract. Uh, Okay, this study aimed to identify the signifiers and the type of friendship values between Paul and Doris in the film Suncoast 2024, employing a qualitative research design with a semiotic approach. This research utilized Ferdinand de Saussure 19 and 16 theory to analyze the signifier, while Aristotle's typology of friendship, like friendship of utility, pleasure, and virtue, is applied to classify the values depicted. And then the primary data source was the film itself with data collected through repeat viewing and analysis of visual and verbal elements that represent the characters' interaction. And then the findings reveal 20 data point of signifier predominantly conveyed through verbal dialogue. And the analysis concludes that friendship of virtue is the most dominant type represented through 11 data point that highlights deep emotional support, moral growth, and self-care. And the friendship of utility and pleasure were also identified through to a lesser extent. This study underscores the film emphasis on virtue-based friendship as a source of strength and personal transformation amidst adversity, contributing to the understanding of how meaningful human relationships are constructed cinematically through semiotic scenes. And then the keywords like friendship values, film, friendship, semiotic, and signifier. Okay, for the next, about introduction. And then here the researcher find three main points for introduction in this article. For the first is film is not only entertainment but also a medium for conveying life values. And then the second, Suncoast 20 and 24 tells the story of a friendship between Doris, a teenager, and Paul, an activist amid hardship. And the last is their friendship becomes a space for learning about grief, empathy, and resilience. And the third, there is a research method. In this study, the researchers use several methods and theories to analyze the case. For the first is qualitative approach with semiotic analysis by Ferdinand de Saussure, and then the second is Ferdinand de Saussure's theory. There are two clues: signifier, physical form, and the signified mental concept, and the classification of friendship values using Aristotle typology. And there are three classification of friendship. For the first is friendship of utility, and the second a friendship of pleasure, and the third friendship of virtue. Okay, for the first is friendship of utility. This like people are friends because they are mutually beneficial or useful to each other. For example, like business partner or friends who help with schoolwork. And then the second, friendship of pleasure. This like people like each other because they find each other pleasant or entertaining. The example, friends who hang out or party together. And the last is friendship of virtue. Okay, it's like friends love each other for their goodness. character or virtue. They want the best for their friends, not just for themselves. For example, like a relationship where where both partners admire each other, support moral growth, and reflect on each other as better human beings. And the last is data collected through in-depth observation of Paul and Doris' interaction scenes. Okay, for the next, there is a main finding. The researcher found 20 signifiers identified with the following distribution. And then for the first column, there is a types of friendship. For the first is friendship of virtue. The data that has been found is 11 with 55%. And then the second, there is a friendship of utility. The data that has been found is 6 with the 30%. And the last is friendship of pleasure. The data that has been found is 3 with the 15%. And the total of all of them, the data that has been found is 20 with the 100%. And then friendship of virtue is the most dominant show through emotional support, self-care, and moral growth. Okay, and next there is examples of signifier. For the first is friendship of virtue. The data that has been found is Paul buys food for Doris when she has no money, and the second, Paul stays with Doris after her brother's death, saying, "I just want to make sure that you are alright." And the second is friendship of utility. The data that has been found is Paul teach Doris how to drive, and the second, Paul insists Doris it because he's concerned about her health. And the last is friendship of pleasure. The data that has been found is Paul tells a funny story about his late wife, making Doris laugh. And the last is they share light-hearted jokes about seafood. And the next is discussion. There are the several points that has been in this article. And for the first, there is the dominance of friendship of virtue reflects the film's theme of moral support and personal transformation. And then the second, friendship of utility serves as a foundation that evolves into a deeper relationship. And the third, friendship of pleasure provides emotional balance amid grief. And last, the film shows that verbal dialogue in the primary carries of meaning, unlike animated film that rely more on visual scenes. Okay, and the last is conclusion. There are 4 points that has been in this conclusion. For the first is Paul and Doris' friendship is dominated by virtue-based values, conveyed mainly through verbal signifier or dialogue. And then the second, the film offers a realistic and transformative portrayal of cross-generational friendship. And the third, the combination of Saussure and Aristotle theories prove effective for analyzing relationship dynamic in film. And the fourth is Suncoast 20 and 24 contributes to cinematic discourse on friendship as a source of strength in facing life challenges. Okay, here's the presentation I can deliver regarding my article today, and I apologize for any shortcoming. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.